As retired Lieutenant General Winston Skoke Mapranga, I say this with the weight of the liberation war on my shoulders. Mnangagwa's damaged ZANU-PF beyond repair, more than Mugabe ever did. ZANU-PF is no longer serving the purpose of its liberation struggle. It has become a vehicle for personal power consolidation rather than the people's revolution we fought for. Sabina mashukubda nyuko pangwa ine na General Skoke Mapranga to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina anu itambira chiti. What Mnangagwa was doing to ZANU-PF, Mnangagwa was risking everything to block General Chiwenga from ascending to the presidency. This is not just political maneuvering, this is tyranny. What has General Chiwenga done to deserve this? Nothing but loyalty and sacrifice. Here's what General Chiwenga did for Mnangagwa. On November 14, 2017, Chiwenga walked into a television studio in military uniform, surrounded by the full command of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, and read the statement that changed Zimbabwe's history. He put his life, career, freedom, and the lives of every general behind him on the line for one man, Emmerson Mnangagwa. He delivered the 2017 transition at personal cost that is now becoming fully visible. He has been the front runner in the succession race in 2017, yet Mnangagwa treats him like an enemy. General Chiwenga risked everything from Mnangagwa, and now Mnangagwa is repaying that sacrifice by orchestrating what he calls Cap 3. The bottom line, the army built ZANU-PF, and the army will block this power grab plot. Silence in the face of these constitutional violations carries lasting consequences, especially for those who once fought for democratic governance. Mnangagwa is eroding the very foundation of the republic. That is not liberation, that is tyranny. The liberation struggle legacy remains a powerful force, and the efforts to reshape Zimbabwe's political landscape through unconstitutional means will ultimately fail. General Chiwenga deserves better than this betrayal. Tomashuka nomdaito kupangwa ine na Lieutenant General Winston Skoke Mapranga. Ndako section medu za fungu enyi mutulipa msarabechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, on the bell icon.